birthday. God bless you.
Bro, a blessed birthday. Matagal na rin yung ating samahan. And gusto ko lang sabihin sa iyo na ang Diyos po ay tapat sa bawat anak niya na patuloy na naglilingkod at ginagawa yung kanyang kalooban. Ang sabi doon sa Isaiah 41 verse 10 na sabi niya, "Don't be afraid. I am with you. Don't be tremble with fear. I am your God. I will make you strong and I will protect you with my arms and give you victories." So kung buhay natin, pagkakatiwala natin sa Diyos, ay magkakaroon po tayo ng katagumpayan. And sa karawang mong ito, ay tiyak na ang regalo, mas mahigit na maibigay nating regalo sa ating Panginoon Diyos yung buhay natin at naglilingkod tayo ng tapat sa Kanya. A blessed birthday and more blessing to come, more life, long and satisfied life na ipagkakaloob sa iyo ng Diyos. God bless you, bro. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, bro. JD. I'm really blessed na maging part ka ng life namin. Mula nang simula pa tayo na magkakasama sa ministry. And I'm just really blessed and I'm still believing and I'm believing on what God can do in your life and through your life.
Happy birthday kay JD! God bless your life, career, family, ministry, and love life. I speak blessings to you more and more.
On behalf ng ABS-CBN Corporation to Pamilya Network, joke lang. Happy birthday, JD! Alam mo, natutuwa ako sa pag-atiligan ka ni Brad. I remember that time, pinag-pray pa kita sa club. Long time before, nag-open and pray na mabuligan ka nitiligan. Especially sa assignment mo ngayon sa CAD. Medyo malaking responsibilidad. Grow up, mature, and enjoy yung pag-minister mo sa Panginoon. And I know and I believe kasi sa President, mas marami pang blessings. Enjoy your life. Happy birthday!
Kanyero, happy birthday! God bless.
Happy birthday, JD! Ilan taong ka na ba? Happy birthday, God bless you. And sana mag-invite na namin sa this day. And I pray na mas lalo pa for you all the back. Talagang churchy ang buhay. But nevertheless, I pray na mas naging better ka. Wish mo or desire mo ay okay,
Happy birthday ba, JD? Alam ko meron po kami mas magandang Lord sa'yo. Alam ko rin, be blessed ng Lord, yung family mo at saka yung lahat pa sa work. Sa sikat pa nagkita mo. Happy birthday. Okay, happy birthday. Ilan taon ka na? Asa tayo ngayon? Medyo nagugutom na ako eh. It's Sunday. Bukas ay birthday ko na. Ikaw ka naman, diba lang? Pero nag-bless natin. God-bless sa buhay mo, sa relationship mo, with God, with her. At sa maraming kalakuhang pang pagsasamahan natin, paturo pa magbukas ng pulo. Happy birthday!
Hi, JD. Wow, I've known you for a long time, although we're not that close, but it's just, I'm very happy with ano na nangyari sa life mo ngayon. I just want to appreciate you right now. Thank you so much for every service that you have given, especially for God. And of course, I'm very, very happy for your, that special area of your life, your love life as well. I support you with that, you and Miles. And of course, just wanna greet you good birthday vibes. I hope na mag-enjoy ka kasi